Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily hide pages in Notion, a simple trick for cleaning up your workspace and keeping your sidebar nice and organized. If you've been wondering how to remove pages from your sidebar or just want to declutter your view, this tutorial has you covered. By the end, you'll know exactly how to neatly tuck away old pages, projects you're not working on right now, or anything you want to keep out of sight without deleting. Let's dive right in. First, we need to be in your Notion workspace. Take a look at the left pane, which is your sidebar. This is where all your pages and workspaces are listed. If yours is looking a little crowded, don't worry, we're about to make things a lot tidier. Now start by creating a new page. You can do this by hitting the plus button at the bottom of your sidebar or right-clicking anywhere in the left pane and choosing Add a Page. Give this new page a clear, straightforward name. That way you'll always know where to find your hidden content later. I recommend calling it something like Hidden Page or Archive, just so it stands out as your storage spot. This is where all those pages you want to hide are going to live from now on. Once you've named your new page, let's go with Hidden Page. You'll see it pop up in your sidebar just like any other Notion page. Think of this page as your very own filing cabinet. Next, here, where the magic happens, you're going to click and drag any existing pages you like to hide directly into your hidden page. In Notion's sidebar, just click on the page you want to move, hold down your mouse button and drag it until you see it hovering over Hidden Page. Drop it in, and that page instantly becomes nested inside your hidden folder. You can repeat this for as many pages as you like. Maybe it's old meeting notes, past project plans, or even template pages you don't need visible all the time. By nesting your pages inside Hidden Page, you're not deleting anything. They're still safe, searchable, and you can access them whenever you need. It's kind of like storing something in a drawer. It's not gone, just tucked out of the way for now. Depending on your sidebar setup, this process might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of pages to sort through. Don't worry if you misplace a page or accidentally drop it in the wrong spot. You can always drag it back out or move it to a different folder as needed. If you want an even cleaner look, you can collapse the hidden page by clicking the small arrow next to it in the sidebar. This way, you won't even see the pages inside unless you choose to expand it. That's like shutting the drawer so everything's neat and out of sight. And that's really all there is to it. Now your Notion sidebar should look way more organized, making it easier to focus on what matters each day. Plus, you'll never lose track of pages, they're just hidden, not deleted. I hope this quick tutorial helps you make your Notion workspace feel a bit more organized and less overwhelming. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Notion trick you'd like to see. Subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.